Welcome. In this video, we're breaking down a quick and simple guide on how to disable spam message requests on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, right from your PC. If you've been getting random message requests filled with spam or unwanted content, this update is definitely for you. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. If you haven't updated it recently, make sure you're using the latest version so the settings match what we're about to go over. Once you've opened the app and logged into your account, look to the left side of your screen where the navigation bar is located. Next, click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 small dots in a circle. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize nearly everything about your X experience, including notifications, security, and privacy preferences. After that, choose Privacy and Safety. This category focuses on everything related to your online safety, content visibility, and message controls. It's the hub where you can fine-tune who gets to contact you and how your messages are filtered. Now, enter the Direct Messages section. This is where the magic happens. Within this menu, you'll see an option called Filter Low-Quality Messages. When this filter is turned on, X automatically separates what it thinks might be lower quality or suspicious messages and puts them in a separate requests folder. But for many users, this automatic filtering can actually make it harder to manage real conversations or to block spam effectively. To stop those hidden spam message requests from bothering you, simply toggle this setting off. Once you disable it, X will stop filtering messages automatically, giving you full control over who can contact you and what you see in your inbox. And that's it, you've successfully disabled spam message requests on X through your PC. Remember to revisit your privacy settings every once in a while, since X often updates these features to include new options and tighter security controls. Thanks for watching.